Do you have a complete, accurate, and real-time picture of your customer experience? Are you getting actionable insights from customer feedback? In the heart of your customer service data lies a goldmine of insights waiting to be discovered. Introducing Level AI's Voice of the Customer Insights. Using proprietary generative AI, unlike surveys and focus groups, the tool mines 100% of your customer conversations, including calls, chats, and emails, surfacing a comprehensive and genuine view of customer experience, proactively uncovering unknown customer concerns, and distilling the data into actionable insights for teams across the organization. Ditch the manual labor and biases of traditional methods to collecting customer feedback and discover emerging trends without even looking for them. Get persona-specific reports, dive deep into topics, and understand the pulse of your customer in real time. Uncover the true voice of your customers effortlessly. Schedule a demo today.